If your fighter jet budget's tighter than a drum, you're looking at the Su-57 over the F-35. India is set to produce Russia's Su-57 fifth-generation stealth fighter jet. But why not the American F-35? It all comes down to cost, tech, and self-reliance. The F-35 has a hefty price tag, up to $100 million a pop. It's also plagued with technical issues and no technology transfer. On the flip side, the Su-57 costs about $35, $40 million, and comes with full tech transfer rights. India's aiming for self-reliance with its Make in India initiative, and the Su-57 aligns perfectly with their indigenous AMCA project. Advanced gallium nitride radars, similar to India's Virupaksha Radar, boost its stealth capabilities. While the US offer was tempting, it couldn't match Russia's package. Plus, the Su-57's development in India will support over 500 jets needed for their air force. So, what do you think about India's decision to bet on the Su-57? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more aviation insights.